This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You must act now. Confirm the exact Windows build and whether it is 32 or 64-bit, because registry keys and binaries differ. Once done, open Services or run SC query WSUSVC to capture the current error code. That tells you whether the service is missing or just failing. Next, run sfc/scano and dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair core system files. These steps often restore missing service binaries before you touch the registry. You now rebuild the service. If SFC didn't restore the binary, copy WSUSVC. exe and required DLLs from an identical Windows installation or install media, because mismatched files break signing and loading. Then create the service using sc create WSUSVC bin path equals C, Windows System 32 svchost. exenets start equals auto depend equals rpcss, so Windows can host the service correctly. Make sure registry entries under hklm/system /current control set /services /WSCSVC match a healthy machine. Once aligned, the service can be started. Start the service with net start WSCSVC and make sure startup type is set to automatic so it launches on boot. Then check Event Viewer for startup errors and confirm Windows Security or Security Center UI reports correctly. If dependent services like RPC or DCOM launch fail, resolve those first. They commonly stop WSCSVC from starting. If this still fails, use an in-place repair install or restore to a known good restore point. That single action resolves deeply corrupted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.